Five, six, turn, slip stitch in the first one, pull it tight, chain 2, turn it back over, go in here, double crochet 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn your beanie, slip, two chains, turn it back over, six double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn it over, slip stitch into the first one, pull her tight, 2 chains, turn it back over, continue all the way around your hat, I call it a bobble stitch. So you do chain 12, in the 12 you put 1, 2 in each, so that makes 24, then you do a 36. If you know how to make a basic beanie. And then you skip. You put 6 in every second stitch till you go around, and just keep going around till I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The white will be the 6th bobble roll. Go around 2 more times. Easy, very nice. Thank you for watching.